can make. The camera is one of the more manageable pieces to upgrade. The company would have to upgrade to either a larger sensor, or the Mini should shoot in 4K 60p. When comparing the Mini to similar pieces, the Mini would have to have increased sensor size and, as a result, better low light performance. The chances of the Mini shooting in 4K 60 are high because it is a relatively easy upgrade. People feel it